The purpose of the Rename Resize project is to get your images into a consistent size and resolution relationship so that going forward you're always working in a 300 dpi workspace, which is ideal working space for printing, and a high quality for good high quality images and photos and projects. So the process is simply one of taking each image, going to Image, Resize, Image Size. We're looking at the document size right here. This for our class, we're working in physical document sizes, 8 by 10s, 5 by 7, things like that, and want to be in a consistent working space. Here I'll look for, first of all, I'm looking for the width and height. We'll look for the longest dimension, which in this case is 28 point some inches. I'm going to change this to 10 inches. The height automatically changes because all three of these are checked, or should be being checked at all times. I'm going to change the resolution to 300. 300 being an ideal printing resolution. Say OK. My image changes slightly, and now I have it in a consistent size and resolution relationship. I'm going to File, Save As, so that to indicate that it has been renamed and resized, I'm going to give it tag the letter A behind it. And now I'm going to save it as baseline, quality level 10. Okay, I could close that image. I'm going to do the second image. I'm going to go to Image, Resize, Image Size. Look at these two dimensions. The longest one is 20. I'm going to change that to 10. The other one changes automatically. Change my resolution to 300. Those are again all checked as they should be. Say OK. And I'm going to go File, Save As. Tag the letter A behind it. Hit Save. And level 10 or quality 10 baseline. Say OK. Let's close that one. This is the vertical image. If I go to Image, Resize, Image Size. Here now I see that this is the longest dimension, so let's change this to 10. In this particular case, the camera already is putting out a 300 dpi image, so that is fine as it is. Let these all checked again. Say OK, and go to File, Save As, tag the letter A behind it, and save. And I can then say OK again for that, and close. Now what this has accomplished is, if I go to Open here, if I look at this, I can choose this one, I can choose this one, and I can choose this one, all with the letter A. This indicates automatically that they're in a 300 dpi workspace. The 10 inches in one dimension is 10 inches. I'm also working on a duplicate file. My original file is right here, unharmed, untouched. Here's my duplicate file that I can work with. So if I do make a mistake or something, I can always go back to this file, start over with it, and continue. So you always want to work on a duplicate file. So if I open these three and just check one of them, Image, Resize, Image Size, there are my standard 10-inch dimension for one of the dimensions, standard resolution 300, and all these things are always checked.